If Canva fonts won't load, don't worry. This is usually a simple browser or connection issue, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. We'll cover the basic fixes first, then move into the more common browser problems that usually stop fonts from loading properly in Canva. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and Canva tips. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing to do is refresh the page. Sometimes Canva just needs a quick reload to reconnect to its font library and display everything correctly. On Windows, press Ctrl+R to refresh your browser. If you're on a Mac, use Command+R instead. After the page reloads, give Canva a moment to fully load and check whether your fonts appear again. This simple step often solves temporary loading glitches right away. If the fonts still won't show up, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Canva relies on a stable internet connection to load fonts, graphics, and other design elements. Open a new tab and search for a speed test. Run a quick speed test and look for slow download speeds or an unstable connection. If your internet is lagging, try reconnecting to Wi-Fi, restarting your router, or switching to a stronger network. Once your connection is stable, go back to Canva and see if the fonts load properly. If your internet is fine and Canva is still having trouble, the next fix is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted or outdated, and that can prevent Canva from loading fonts correctly. To do this, open your browser settings. If you're using Chrome or another browser with a three-dot menu, click the menu icon, go to Settings, then find Privacy or Privacy and Security. From there, open Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files is selected, then click Clear. After the cache is cleared, close and reopen your browser, sign back into Canva, and check the fonts again. This step is especially helpful if Canva cache has been working fine before and suddenly starts acting up. Another very common cause is browser extensions. Ad blockers and other add-ons can sometimes interfere with Canva's font loading process. To test this, go to your browser menu, open Extensions, then choose Manage Extensions. Look for ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or anything that might prevent web apps from loading fully. Turn those extensions off temporarily, then refresh Canva and check your fonts. If the fonts start loading after disabling extensions, you found the problem. You can then leave that extension off while using Canva or whitelist Canva so it can run properly. If none of those steps work, try a different browser. Sometimes the issue is not Canva itself, but the browser you're using. Chrome and Edge are usually the most reliable options for Canva, so if you're currently using another browser, switch over and test it there. Log into your Canva account in the new browser, open the same design, and see whether the fonts load normally. In many cases, simply changing browsers fixes the issue immediately because the new browser doesn't have the same cache, extension conflicts, or settings problem. If you've gone through all 5 steps, refreshing, checking your internet speed, clearing cache, disabling extensions, and trying a different browser, there's a very good chance your Canva fonts will be loading normally again. The key is to start with the quickest fixes first, then work through the browser-related problems one by one until the issue is gone. If this video helped you fix Canva fonts won't load, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one. And if you want, check out my other Canva troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.